Let's talk about audience needs and pain points. Your audience has got a need. So you've got to ask yourself, what are their goals? What are their aspirations? If your persona is a busy working mom, her needs might include juggling time, work and family responsibilities, and also finding time for herself and preparing healthy meals, not just for herself, but also for her family. And then also looking at your audience. What are their interests and preferences? If we look at our busy mom and we look at what her interests are, her interests might include cooking and attending community events. Unfortunately, she doesn't have time to engage with long format content, but she has got the time to look at a quick video or listen to a podcast while she goes about her day. This automatically tells you she's never going to read your blog, but she will listen to your podcast. When it comes to audience personas, there are pros and cons. So let's go through the pros because those are the reasons why we create an audience persona. For example, they are targeted, so we can target the right audience for our content. Our audience personas are personalized to a degree, so we can create personalized communication when we're engaging with our audience. And personalization is very, very important. We create a better customer experience, A, because we understand what they want from us, and B, we can deliver what they want from us. It also helps us with better decision making. For example, how do we enhance our content for future? How does this improve our sales? How does this improve our product offering? When we can make better decisions, we will find everything works for us a lot quicker and a lot easier. Finally, content creation takes up a lot of resources in terms of manpower, time, money. When we understand our audiences better, we can allocate our resources better so that we can create the kind of content that appeals to them, and we can target our most promising prospects. And while I think creating audience personas is fun, there are a lot of cons to creating audience personas that you need to be mindful of. Number one, it is time consuming. Creating personas takes a significant amount of time when you've got to check all of your data from all of your available media channels, and you've got to consolidate them and try to come up with an idea in terms of their demographics, their ideals, their aspirations, their pain points, what they need, what they want, what you can deliver for them. Incredibly time consuming. And of course, the more audience personas that you need to create, the more time you're going to need to allocate in creating them and understanding their unique differences. We've also got to be mindful of oversimplification. There is too much temptation to take a shortcut and say, my audience member is a 25-year-old female who enjoys going out over the weekend. This oversimplification is going to limit your understanding of your audience and also could result in excluding your ideal audience. This also brings up the possibility of bias. Never underestimate the importance of an undiscovered market. Never assume that you know who your audience is. And then a big thing with audience personas, while it's time consuming to create them, it is also time consuming to maintain them. Don't forget, your audience is continuously evolving, so you're going to need to continuously update your audience personas. The great thing is that when you understand your audience, albeit through an audience persona, you can start to make it work for you.